Yadachittam tada vache, yada vache tada kriya. This is the great code which IMSS Vasantanagar, Peddapalli district, Telangana state follows. We love by serve. Our India Mission Secondary School, which is located at Vasantanagar, run by Kesaram Cements, provides great education for the poor and needy children. Our students always score the best marks in SSC board examinations. We focus on each and every student of our school who study from LKG to class 10 equally. And we provide good education with co-curricular and extracurricular activities at our school. In 2023-24 academic year SSC board examination, we scored the best marks in our Vasantanagar area. And this result has been secured by our school with the cooperation of our school parents, our management, our teachers and our beloved students. And our students never by heart any answers for any examinations. We educate the children to learn the concepts by doing the experiments, by learning the concepts thoroughly without by hearting anything. So that is the secret of getting our results. And we never give importance only for the marks which are scored in the examinations. We always suggest them or advise them to go for all-round development in their life. So I thank the parents of all these students and all the 49 students who appeared for the SSC examination from our IMSS. I thank them once again. I wish them all to become the great leaders and great personalities in future. I wish them once again.
India Mission Secondary పాఠశాల వసంతనగర్కు స్వాగతం. అత్యుత్తమ ఫలితాలు సాధించిన మా విద్యార్థులు వీరందరికీ ప్రత్యేక కృతజ్ఞతలు ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాం. మా పాఠశాల 1968లో ప్రారంభించబడి 2024 వరకు ప్రతి సంవత్సరంలో 100% ఉత్తీర్ణత శాతం పాటు ప్రతి సంవత్సరం 10/10 జీపీఏ సాధించినటువంటి విద్యార్థులు ఎంతో మంది ఉన్నారు. అదేవిధంగా ఈ సంవత్సరం కూడా 3 విద్యార్థులు మనకు 10/10 జీపీఏ సాధించడం ఎంతో గర్వకారణంగా ఉంది. మా పాఠశాలకి ఎంతో కష్టపడ్డారు. ఉపాధ్యాయులు చెప్పినటువంటి మాటలు చక్కగా విని పాఠ్యాంశాలు చక్కగా చదివి ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులు మహేంద్రన్ గారి యొక్క సలహాలు సూచనలు పాటించి ఎప్పుడు ఎల్లవేళలా మరి వెన్నుదన్నుగా ఉన్నటువంటి ఉపాధ్యాయులు అదేవిధంగా ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులు అందరి సహకారంతో ఈరోజు అత్యుత్తమైనటువంటి ఫలితాలు సాధించిన మా విద్యార్థులను చూస్తుంటే ఎంతో గర్వకారణంగా ఉంది. మరి వీళ్ళంతా కూడా పాఠశాలకు మంచి పేరును తీసుకొచ్చారు. భవిష్యత్తులో వీరి యొక్క జీవితం బాగుండాలని ఆ భగవంతుడు మంచి ఆయుష్ను దీర్ఘాయుష్ను మంచి భవిష్యత్తును ప్రసాదించాలని అదేవిధంగా ఎక్కడైతే పునాది రాళ్ళు వేసుకున్నారో అనగా పాఠశాలలో ఆ పునాది రాళ్లపైన నిలబడినటువంటి వీరు ఒక అద్భుతమైనటువంటి భవనంగా మారి అనగా వాళ్ళ భవిష్యత్తు అంతా ఉన్నతంగా ఉండి ఈ పాఠశాలను మర్చిపోకుండా అన్ని రకాలుగా మరి అభివృద్ధి చెందాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ అత్యుత్తమ ఫలితాలు సాధించిన విద్యార్థులను మరొకసారి నిండు మనసుతో ఆశీర్వదిస్తూ నేను ముగిస్తున్నాను.
Students of IMSS who once again that IMSS is a platform to show excellence and to show their all-round performance. So 2023-24 students had given a great and tremendous result for IMSS. This year we had 3 10 GPA students, 1 9.8 and 27 and above students scored 9 and above GPA. So this is a trademark result. Once again their hard work paid with the best and excellent result. So I congratulate all the 10 GPA and 9.8 GPA students on this occasion. I really wish them all the best and have a great future ahead. God bless you all. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. Congratulations. Congratulations. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. Myself Asif. I am a 10 GPA candidate of India Mission Secondary School, Vasantanagar, IMSS. And my success credit goes to all my teachers, parents and principals, sir. Their motivation gave me to set a goal and I achieved my 10 GPA, which is the number 1 goal in my school life. My journey started here from 5th class and I learned many good things by the teachers, parents and principal sir. They conducted various slip tests, cycle tests and grand tests and everything. They did not hurt me anything. Their patience taught me very much. The teachers did not encourage to by heart anything. We just listen the words of the teachers and we scored the 10 GPA. And I suggest to all the students to listen the teachers' motivation and their lessons. Then you can achieve anything in the life. And the IMSA school never back in anything. And the students of IMSA school got state ranks, state 4th and 3rd ranks and etc. There is number of facilities in the IMSA school. In outside, many schools we are paying thousands of rupees, but facilities are not much. But here, very less fees, but facilities are more. So I think this is the best school in my life. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is M. Satvik from class 10. I had passed with 10 GPA in the school India Mission Secondary School 2023-24 batch. The whole support is given by my teachers, family. We got the inspiration by our parents, teachers, so that we had achieved the 10 GPA in our 10th class. This school is the best school which I had saw. The teachers has conducted many tests. By this we had made a perfect grip on the subject, as well as in games. Many of the students went to national and state level. So this is the best school in my opinion. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Prince. I am a student of India Mission Secondary School, Basan Nagar. I have secured 9.8 GPA by all the support of my teachers and my parents, who have supported in my hard times to study and clear my doubts whenever I needed. All the teachers are there for me when I have needed them. They are the pillars for my success. The stage of success that I have been today is all because of my teachers. So I thank all the teachers of MSS who have supported me to get this stage of success. They not only supported in the studies but also supporting co-cultural activities, which have made me all-rounder in everything. I think this school may give you everything that you want.
Fabi. I secured 10 GPA in India Mission Secondary School 2023-24 batch. My teachers supported me very much. They clarified my doubts. Our principals have conducted 9 classes too. We wrote more than 100 exams. Our school have many infrastructure facilities such as playground, laboratory. India Mission Secondary School also involves many other co-curricular activities. India Mission Secondary School stands first to provide education and knowledge and other facilities.